Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. Please, if today is the first time you're watching my video, like and subscribe. Shh, keep quiet. I'm doing something. So please like and subscribe today. In this video, I want to show you what can stop you on the roads while driving. So you need to be very careful. Watch this video to the end and you will see that particular thing that I will show you here in this video. As you can see, this car stopped on the road for like yesterday, so this car could not drive unless I come and I've loosened the thing. And right now I want to show you the main thing that can stop you on the road. So when you hear the noise or when you are driving, you need to maybe take your car to a mechanic to recheck it for you, else it will disappoint you on the road. So as you're watching this video, I'll soon show you. This is the hub that I'm losing. I'm losing the hub. While losing the hub, I lose everything that will take me there. So just keep watching this video. At the end of this video, you will see it. Like and subscribe as you are watching. Drop your comments. And subscribe. Thank you. So this is the hub I'm losing. This ABS. This is the ABS. It functions is immensely. So now this is the shaft that I'm losing. When I finish this, I will show you what I'm talking about. It's very crucial thing. It can drop you on the roads while driving. Your car will be steaming, but it will not drive. You will load gear, it will move. Now look at it here. Have you seen? This shaft velocity has been removed. The clips there was removed. So as it's removed, the car could not move again. It could not accelerate. The car just stop. You see, have you seen it? This is the cause. That is what I'm talking about right now. You see, that's the 3-finger bearing. Shaft velocity, that's the inner shaft from the cup. It removed from the gearbox. That's it. So like and subscribe. Thank you.